This 2023 Jayco Eagle 321 RSTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, 17225 and is offered for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center. This new Jayco is 36 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a modern farmhouse interior, Sleep 6, Colorado Detector, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, awning, skylight, microwave, smoke detector, slideout, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Jayco Eagle 321 RSTS is 11,029 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center, visit RVUSA.com.